In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get record or information from the file system, mount points, partition tables, and disk-free information. So the first command, line 1, is basically giving us the file system table, fstab, which on Linux is called fstab and Solaris is vfstab, virtual file system table. And then the second command is basically giving us let me just comment that line out, and it's hard to see. So the second command is basically lsblk, which is giving you the block of all the devices that are configured. And then the third command is basically show you the partition table. So we're going to run the partition table, and this is our system partition table. And the last command is basically showing us the DF, which is stand for disk free, and how much disk is used and how much is free. This -h means human readable, which means it shows in gigabytes. And so that's all, and the output of all these file systems that are mounted, it shows there. Thanks for watching.